In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need to have a strong online presence to stay relevant and competitive. That's where digital marketing comes in. However, not all digital marketing strategies are created equal. To be effective, your digital marketing plan should include these 5 key elements. Let's take a closer look at each of these elements. First, define your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? What are their needs and pain points? Knowing this information will help you create targeted marketing messages that resonate with your audience. Second, develop a comprehensive marketing plan. This should include specific goals, timelines, and budgets for each tactic you plan to use. Third, utilize multiple channels. Don't rely on just one tactic to reach your audience. Use a combination of channels to increase your reach and visibility. Fourth, create engaging content. Your content should be informative, helpful, and engaging. Use visuals, storytelling, and other techniques to capture your audience's attention. Finally, measure and analyze results. Use analytics tools to track your progress and make data-driven decisions about future marketing efforts. By incorporating these 5 key elements into your digital marketing plan, you can create a strong online presence that connects with your target audience and drives business results.